Hello, my name is Marcus Gardner, and I wanted to show you what the progress I'm making on my ExamGiant website. I've put in a header file and I put in a main page, but really nothing works here. I'll fix this up later. What I want to concentrate on is the practice. Now I put in some menu items, but these don't work. For example, put in TV shows, it's going to say coming soon. Okay. History coming soon. So right now, only thing that works right now is the math. And I've only done 4 items, the addition and subtractions. Now, once I get done with putting in some sample games, then I'm going to connect it to um, the schools so they can um, access it and change. They're going to be able to say, oh, we're going to do additions from, say, -100 to 5,000. So they can actually modify that. But that, of course, will be in the future. Um, so now, the speed thing, this is what makes my website different than anything out there. This allows the students, the parents, and the teachers know exactly how strong a student is. Because right now, in a classroom, if 2 students get 100, the teacher thinks they are equally smart. But what if one finished it in 10 minutes, the other finished in 50? Unless the teacher is paying attention, they are not going to know. So that's what this does. This lets a student say, I'm not very good with my subtractions, so I'm going to do only a speed 1. Whereas someone else says, hey, I'm pretty good, I'm going to do speed 8. Now I'm going to choose speed 8 so that you can actually see the ending here. But anyway, um, now score and time. I'm going to get rid of this extra space later. But when a correct answer hits the red line, it's going to disappear and produce a bad sound. And then any answer you get correct, uh, there, you'll get a score equal to 10 times the uh, level. So, for example, I had level 8. So every correct answer, you'll get 80 points. Every wrong answer or any missed answer, you'll lose half of those points. So you'll lose 40 for each one. Okay? Now, again, this is too fast for students. Okay? And I'm still tweaking the speed because I don't want it to be so fast that nobody can do it. Okay? So again, I'll worry about the speed later after I get some more games in. So the goal of this is to make sure students really know their subtraction. Okay. So instead of, let me think, what is 651 minus 10? Let me think. Students should be able to know, hey, that's wrong. Skip it. Okay. And then this one, oh yes, that's correct. Click it. Okay, so that's the goal of my website. And then later, I'm going to have contests and competitions. Okay? All right. Thank you very much. See you next time.